explain micturition. So, students, micturition is the process by which the urine which is stored in the urinary bladder is excreted. So, here the urinary bladder stores urine in it. The primary urine which is formed is reabsorbed and the urine from the ureter enters into the urinary bladder, and here it is stored temporarily. Now, the walls of the urinary bladder has got stretch receptors. Now, these stretch receptors identifies when the volume increases in the urinary bladder. Once the volume increases, the stretch receptor initiates the sensory neurons to send the signal to the brain, setting up a reflex action. So, this reflex stimulates the urge to pass out the urine. Now, the urinary bladder has a sphincter called internal sphincter. Now, this sphincter is involuntary in nature. It is made up of smooth muscles. So, that means the sphincter cannot be opened under our will. So, it is under the control of the central nervous system. So, as the stretch receptor signals the brain that the bladder is full, the parasympathetic nerve fibers sends the signal to the internal sphincter to relax. So, when the internal sphincter relaxes, the sphincter is open and the urine is released from the urinary bladder. Now, on the urethra, there is an external sphincter which is voluntary in nature, and through the urethra, the urine will be excreted. The adult human can excrete about 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day. That is, the kidney produces around 180 liters of glomerular filtrate. So, among that, 178 will be reabsorbed and around 2 liters of urine will be produced per day. The micturition is a process in which the urine which is stored in the urinary bladder is excreted, and this is controlled by two sphincters, internal and external. Internal sphincter is involuntary in nature and the control is present in the pons. So, a reflex action initiates the internal sphincter to open, whereas external sphincter is voluntary in nature and it is under the control of one's will.